Good evening, and how are you doing?
Good evening. I'm doing great. How about you?
Yes, I'm pretty well. Thank you for asking. So, how was your day?
It was a regular day for me. Nothing special has happened.
Okay,
What
so it
about
was your,
you?
yeah, it is kind of same. Today was working day, so I was just doing my work since morning till evening. So it is kind of usual.
So do you work from home?
Yes.
Wow, great.
Okay, so this is our first session. So I would like to know a little bit about yourself.
Yes. So as you know, my name is Jaya Ghosh. I hail from Kolkata and I'm a banker. If I talk about my hobbies, then I love listening to music. I love watching movies and sometimes I read fiction.
Oh, that's great.
Yes.
Okay, and okay, now it's my turn. So my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. And if I'll talk about my qualification, so I have done engineering and currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company. And it's been 4 years in my company and simultaneously I'm running my YouTube. That's all about me.
Wow. So you have been in the same company for 4 years.
No, I switched to another company, but total experience I have 4 plus
Okay.
in
Yes.
the IT field. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so are you taking this kind of session on the regular basis? And when did you started this learning English language?
No, I don't take these kind of sessions regularly, but I'm thinking of doing it on a regular basis because I think it's the only way and the best way to learn English and to increase your fluency. Because I have been watching English content from a very long, so more than 2 years. But it's important to speak also. So I think now I have started, taking sessions on a regular basis. So it's not possible for me to take sessions regularly, but at least I'm trying to do it.
Yes, yes. If you are practicing it regularly, then automatically we can see the changes in ourselves. I had started my channel. I was not thinking about that I have to do this kind of conversational video, but suddenly I shifted to this English language, and now I am enjoying talking with different people, and I have improved a lot my communication skills also. And yes, I had to build my confidence level so I can see these changes in myself. So this is the great thing for me that I have improved.
And one thing that I really want to say here is that, as I said, I have been watching these English conversation videos by different YouTubers, and
Mhm,
I also able to see the changes in them.
mhm.
So I thought I will also start doing it. So I think some improvement I can also, get. So
Yes,
that's
yes,
why I
exactly.
started actually I resumed my YouTube channel because I created my channel during COVID. Because
Mhm.
that time I was reading a lot of books because I had some time. So so my channel was about book recommendations. But then, I couldn't manage it. I couldn't manage time and work. And then I have to finish reading lots of books and then only I can recommend books. It was not possible for me there. So I quit my channel, and since January this year, I resumed my channel. And actually, I'm taking sessions on English Diary. So I'm basically posting the English Diary conversation videos.
Oh, okay, okay. I think it's a great thing that you already resumed your channel. And yes, if you are able to manage your time, so I would suggest you that you should focus and you should be consistent here. Then it would be benefit for both the things. Like you can improve your English and on can grow on YouTube also.
Yes, but sometimes I really get demotivated because I become very restless, and sometimes I feel that no, I am not improving. I can't speak properly. I make a lot of mistakes. So these things I think these things will always be the problem for us.
Yes, correct. I can also relate on these things because I'm just speaking and doing this kind of conversational videos for last 1 year, and I don't think so that I have improved a lot. Maybe that some people can speak and some people can become fluent in very short time, but it all depends how much efforts you are putting. Like we are just doing our work, and 8 to 9 hours you have to work, and after that we don't feel like that we have to do this kind of conversation videos, and after that you have to upload your videos also, so it is kind of time taking process. Sometimes I also get demotivated, and especially when you are not getting good response, so it happens with me also, but I'm just motivating myself, like whatever things I'm doing, and I'm just putting my effort, and I already know that I'm not putting extra effort on this thing, so I'm just getting the result according to my efforts. So that's it. So I'm happy with it. If I'll put extra effort, then definitely I can see the extra result also.
So, do you have to speak in English in your workplace?
Yes, I have to speak in English only.
Wow, good. And so you work from home since COVID, or since the day you have joined your workplace?
No, during the COVID, I got this opportunity, and now it is continuously going on because most of the IT companies are providing this kind of facility that you can do the work from home also. So it is continuously for me.
Okay, so there is no need for you to go to office.
No. Some companies are calling their employees to do the like work from office, 3 days work from office and 2 days work from home, like that. This kind of hybrid model, but my company is not doing as of now, so that's why I'm working from home, so I can get the time to do this kind of stuff also.
Yes, yes. So that is actually my next question. So when you get time, so what are the things that you follow to improve your communication skills?
Okay, for English I'm not doing lot of things, just listening part. It is kind of regular because listening, I'm just listening anything whatever I feel like that it is for my interest, so I'm just listening, and one conversation a day. And yeah, someday it happens that if I'm free, so I can do the two conversation, but one conversation it is fixed, kind of fixed for me, and listening practice only. And other than that, I am not doing anything else because of sort of time, I can say.
When you do the listening part, so what kind of content do you mostly listen to?
Okay, if I am getting bored, so I just try to listen some stories. It is kind of fun also, so I'm just listening the stories. And sometimes I just wanted to focus on my communication, and like, yes, I have to grab something from that video, so I'm just listening some kind of speeches of famous personalities. That's it only.
Okay, yes. Yes, even I also do that because we can't watch videos after videos on a regular basis because one video is about 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and if it's a podcast, then more than 1 hour. So it's
One
not
hour.
possible to continue doing that. But yes, I also try to listen to at least some short videos, 15 minutes, 20 minutes videos. It's easy to remember also, and you don't get bored.
Yeah.
So yes. Do you
Okay.
love reading? Do you read books?
I'm not consistent, but yes, I'm trying to inculcate in my habit. I recently started because of I have heard this thing from different people like that you should focus on your reading part also. So that's why I started. But I'm not consistent. I don't know why. I have tried multiple books, but it happens. I'm just reading it for 3 to 4 days, and again I break my consistency, and again after 3 to 4 days break, then I start again. So it happens with me.
Oh, what is the last book that you read? Or maybe which book you're currently reading?
I'm reading one book, Power of Positive Thinking.
Power of Positive Thinking. Okay, I've never heard of it. So,
Okay,
is the book good?
and no one had suggested me that book, but I was just, I just saw the front page, like cover page, and I was just thinking, like, I think I should read this book.
Yes. Yeah, sometimes, we get the vibe by looking at the cover page of a book that if the color is nice, eye catchy, so we tend to, buy the book and read. So it happens with me also. Actually, I love reading books, but nowadays I don't have much time. So that's why I'm thinking, that's why uh, I have not taken any book and start reading, because when you start a book, then it will break your consistency and you're not able to reading it for, on a consistent basis, and you feel, I feel somehow, sad and depressed. That no, I have to read the book, I have to finish it, the story is so nice. So that's why it has taken a back seat now.
Yes, yes, it happens. If you are reading a book and uh, like you have read some pages, and after that, when you are just again starting that book, so you are not able to catch everything, like where you left, and what are the things you have already read, and what are the things you have learned from that book. So it happens with
Yes.
me also when
And
I
especially
when
if
I
the
start
a
again.
lot of characters, yes. It's difficult to remember the names, and you have to go back to the previous pages and have to read it to get an idea. Yes.
Yes, yeah, yeah, right.
So do you love watching movies?
Movies. Yeah,
Yes.
sometimes, but I'm not very fond of watching movies. Yeah, sometimes on weekends I usually watch it.
Yes. Yeah. Even same for me. So do you like going out? So what do you do on weekends, Saturdays and Sundays? What do you do? How do you spend your time?
Okay, so on Saturday I usually go out because 5 days I have to sit in a single room, so I get
Yes.
frustrated. So on Saturday I generally go out for my friend with my friends or family members. And Sunday I choose for just to spend my time with my family members because all family members are together on that day because everyone is on leave on Sunday. So that's why. So I love to spend time with them. And sometimes I just sleep just to take a rest. That's it on Sunday.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
what
Same.
about you? Is it your 2 days weekend or one day?
So for banks, first and third
First.
Saturdays we have to go, and on second and fourth Saturdays we have holidays.
Mhm.
So actually, I like going out and watch movies, eat out, you know. But now I have a baby, and he is 10 months old, so we are not going anywhere. We are staying home, and because it's the only time, Saturday Sunday, that we can spend with our child the whole day, so
Mhm.
we try to spend our time with him only.
Okay, so who is taking care of your child when you are going to office?
We have house help, and also my parents are here, so they are basically taking care of them.
Okay, that's nice.
Yes.
Yeah, and Saturday, Sunday you have to be available for your child because you are you already working, so that's why. Yeah.
Yes.
So are you able to manage both the things? Sometimes I get confused or like worried about these things when I'll get married. So how I would manage everything like that? So are you able to manage it,
Uh,
or what
I
difficulties you
think
face?
um, you can when you are in a situation, then you will definitely find different ways to do all your work together. Because when you see a situation from outside, we tend to think that, oh, how will they manage the situation, and it's maybe very hard to manage it, but actually not. So it's yes, on some days when your child is not well, then you have to take leave. You have to stay with him, and but otherwise, my parents are taking good care of him, and my child loves my parents.
Mhm.
So he loves staying with them. I think more than he loves staying with me, because I'm not home all the day.
Mhm.
And when I come back, then he jumps and jumps from their lap, and he tries to come to me and stay with me and play. So yeah, it's a nice journey, I can say. But you can't do anything, na? You can't leave your job and stay with your child. It's not possible.
Mhm.
So yeah, it's going pretty good, I can say.
It can be a little bit hard, but if you are getting into that situation, then you are able to manage those things. I'm not doing any household thing because my mom is doing everything and I'm just working. And apart from that, I'm just doing my things only. That's it.
Mhm.
So my mother always scolded me like that. What you will do in in-laws house like that? You are just waking up very late and like that, and you are just working on yourself only. You are not managing other things, and you are not taking care of household things and all. So she always scolded me like this. So that's why.
Yes, every mother does that. So even my mother used to say the same things when I used
Mhm.
to stay home. So actually, I am away from home after 12. So after 12, I moved to Kolkata from my hometown, and I used to live in hostel.
Mhm.
So for more than 8, 9 years, I lived in hostel. So in that sense, I am quite independent and self-sufficient. So I can do my work only because
Mhm.
I do not stay with nowadays. Also, I do not stay with my in-laws. I'm staying with my parents. So and I also have house help. So I fortunately I don't have to do much household chores.
Mhm.
I'm only taking care of me and my baby. So yeah, I think we should wind up the session and we can, if you have time, then just message me. We can connect um, another time and we can discuss on a topic that will be
Mhm.
helpful to both of us.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yes, and it was a lovely conversation with you.
Yeah, same. Thank you so much.
Bye.